Hello students, so I'll be discussing matter in our surroundings, class 9, chapter 1, science, question answers from 5, question number 5 to question number 9. So question number 5, what is the physical state of water at 25 degrees C, B 0 degrees C, C 100 degrees C? So let's go to the answer. We know the physical state of water at 0 degrees C or less. It is ice or solid. 0 degrees C to 100 degrees C. It is the water or liquid state. 100 degrees C or above. It is the vapor state or gas. So option A or part A, 25 degrees C, the water will be in the liquid state. Part B, at 0 degrees C, is the freezing point of water, so it will exist in both liquid and solid state. So part C, water at 100 degrees C, so it is a boiling point of water, and so the water will be existing in liquid and gaseous state. So part A of the question, the freezing point of water is 0 degrees C and melting point of water is 100 degrees C. The room temperature lie at an average of 20 to 30 degrees C. Hence the water is in liquid state. Second reason to justify why water is in liquid state at room temperature. Water at room temperature flow and take up the shape of the container. Hence water at room temperature is liquid. So coming to the second part of the question, an iron almirah is a solid at room temperature. So room temperature lies between 20 degrees C to 30 degrees C. Iron have a high melting point, so it remains solid at room temperature. It doesn't melt. It doesn't flow. Iron almirah have definite shape and volume at room temperature. It is rigid and do not flow at room temperature. Hence, it is solid at room temperature. So question number 7, why is ice at 273 Kelvin more effective in cooling than water at the same temperature? So temperature remaining same, ice at 273 degrees is more effective in cooling than water. Answer, ice at 273 Kelvin will absorb heat energy known as latent heat of fusion. Latent means it is a hidden heat where temperature is not affected, but this heat is used to convert. So ice takes this heat from the surrounding and converts it to water. So water at the same temperature will draw more heat from the surrounding and this will have more cooling effect than water. So at constant temperature, ice is more effective than cooling than water. So question number 8, what produce more severe burn, boiling water or steam? Steam cause more severe burn than boiling water because although both are at same temperature, that is 100 degree C, steam contain the additional latent heat of vaporization. What is this latent heat does? It changes the state of matter from one state to another without the rise of temperature. Latent heat of vaporization, which is released as energy when steam condenses on the skin. So when the steam condenses, steam changes to water, one state vapor to another state water, the latent heat of vaporization is released. So that extra heat is released, and that causes severe burn on the skin. So we have come to the end of the exercise. Last question, question number 9. Name A, B, C, D, E, F in the following diagram showing the change in its state. So this is the diagram. What does this diagram says? This is solid, this is liquid, and this is gas. So first arrow is from solid to gas. What is this known as? From gas to solid. What is it known as? Solid to liquid and from liquid to solid. From liquid to gas and from gas to liquid. So you have to mention the names of the following change in the state of matter. Okay. So from solid to gas without any interface of liquid, change from solid to gas is known as sublimation. From gas to solid is known as deposition. From solid to liquid, change of state of matter is known as melting or fusion. From liquid to solid, it is known as solidification. From liquid to gas, it is known as vaporization. From gas to liquid is known as condensation. So this brings to the end of all the questions in the exercise. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and do subscribe my channel, and please share this video with your friends, and happy studying. Thank you very much.